Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm gonna show you how to send Snap without media upload on it. So actually there is no way to send Snap without media upload on it. The only way you can do that is to downgrade to the previous version of Snapchat, but still people who get the latest version will see media upload badge. So the only things you can do is go to Snapchat, go to your profile settings, scroll down until you find support and feedback. Click on bugs and suggestions. Make a suggestion. Camera and time. Remove media upload from the latest update. Attach the screenshot, choose the topic. Camera features. And now you can submit your suggestion right here. Hope it fixes our problem. Maybe in the next update Snapchat will downgrade the app. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.